Is this like just adding the walk? Like you go like this, and I go like this.
This is sure to be a hard-hitting tag team battle. Ready for the fight, we see Jacy Jayne and Thea Hail. And across from them, they will be squaring off with Ira Kyrie and Bayley.
Hard to decide what team has the advantage here, but it's about to come down to who can come to ring and back the best, who can show the pace.
A chain of reversals here, every motion getting cut off.
Statement there. Look at him showing incredible reflexes here. Oh, wow. Stiff forearm shot. Oh, man.
Elbows to the face.
Elbows to the temple. My gosh, she's bleeding.
It's still over her skin. And Jacy Jayne is firing up the crowd here. Neckbreaker. Right to the spine. Tag Bayley into the ring. Pump kick on target. Gotta respect the strategy to work over the arm. Reversal by Bayley. And Bayley gets cut right off. Isolating the arm. So much damage inflicted. That'll do some serious damage, and Jacy's fighting for momentum in this one. Jacy Jayne on the side.
Put this one out.
To the arm. The jar gets back. Oh, God, that hurt. Ooh, vicious kick to the spine. Don't hurt to the kidneys.
The arm taking a blow to that.
Target acquired and destroyed. Jacy Jayne comes to the boot. And Jacy Jayne wants more from her opponent. You got a tag. Ducked underneath.
It's tag. German suplex.
She's able to lead. Turns it around. Trading counters and reversals back and forth. High level ability being shown with each of these counters. Kick to the body. Running still.
Taking a moment to see if the fans will show some love. The overboard blood gets cinched in.
Complete breaking the hold before any real damage was done. What more can these women have left? Where are they finding the action? They must be deep into their reserves by now. This is going to the absolute limits. I think we can consider this the beginning of the end, gentlemen. Right in the arm. Bayley showing no answer for the attack. That can't be how Bayley envisioned tonight going. Suplex. Running clothesline. Thea gets the better there. This is just barbaric.
She's got something wicked in mind.
This hold is locked in tight. Applying the pressure now. She's holding on for dear life at this point. As the arm tracker, the arm track. Knee smashes right to the spine. Driven down. Muscling it up there. Opponent. Beautiful. Right in the middle.
How have we not claimed a winner yet?
You gotta believe that not wanting to feel the agony of defeat is causing this never surrender attitude.
I am feeling a titanic ship roaring through this crowd right now.
Well, you're not the only one, Saxton. It's all coming to a head now. Running clothesline. What I mean.
Face down and a curve. He's in.
This is agonizing. There it is. She's tapping. And these two really do make the perfect pair. Gives you hope for the future of the tag division. Great tag team action on display, guys.